Welcome to this webinar. In this webinar, we would like to introduce you to all the possibilities beook offers in terms of personal annotations and enrichments. Learn how you can mark up text in different ways, how you can add various notes, and how you can include your own pages in the ebook itself. You will also find various instructions on our website. Under documentation, you will find a link to our collection of documentation. Here you have different categories and you will find some instructions regarding the annotations and how to create some extended notes, for example, and also how you can structure content with colors and also document with photos and images. We are now in the beook application and I would like to show you all the various notes and annotations which are possible. There are the following types of annotation: marks, so that you can highlight the text and some text passages. Notes, you can create a simple note, a note with the text editor, a drawing note, a note with a file such as a PDF or a Word document, or a note with an external link. You can also annotate some pictures. There are two different editors which are available in beook. With this symbol here in the upper right, the eye, you can show and hide the annotations that you have set. If you want to present the page accordingly without your personal notes and annotations being visible, you can do it this way. We will now create a simple note in red. So we change the color to red. And one advantage of using various colors is that you can structure the content this way. For example, you can now create all notes with open questions in red. You also have the option of pinning the note so that it is visible in the content and making the background transparent. You can also tick off the notes that you have created. So you can give a title and save the note by closing this window. Another type of notes is the note where you can format the text with the text editor. You'll find this type here. So thanks to the text editor, it is possible to integrate tables, enumerations, links to external websites, and also YouTube links directly in the note. We create this note in yellow. With yellow, we indicate that these points are important for the next lesson. We save the note once again by closing this window, and it looks like this. So we have studied this page and we change the page. And next, when we create a drawing note in yellow, we have a choice of two editors. So we choose the type drawing note, and there is the Sketchpad Editor and the SVG Editor, which are available in beook. This is the Sketchpad Editor. Alternatively, also an external SVG program can be chosen, for example, Inkscape. This can be adapted in the settings. There is also a detailed description of the different editors on our website. The Sketchpad, which you see here, is a clear pixel-oriented editor and is suitable for image annotations and simple hand drawings. You can give it a title, you can draw something. We save this once again. The SVG editor, the other editor that is available on beook, on the other hand, is vector-based and is a bit more complex. But not only notes with drawings are possible, pictures can also be annotated. So if you have a picture in the content, you can just double-click it so you can open the preview of this picture. From there, you can switch to the editing mode, which you'll find here. So you can just mark some important details, for example, like this, and then you can close this, save this, and you see your annotation is visible and directly on the image. If you have questions about the topic and also an external document that belongs to it, you can create a note in red, for example, and choose the type note with a file. So you can choose the file, insert it, and confirm that you would like to copy this image into the application and to use the beook cloud. As we have any open questions regarding this topic, we create this note in red and give the title Open Questions to be clarified. On Android and iOS, there is also the option of creating a note with a photo. If you select this note type, the camera opens directly. keep track of the annotations you have set, there is an annotation column here in the application. This gives you an overview of the annotations that you have set. There's also a filter function here. You can define which annotations are to be displayed on the left in the overview column. You can therefore define that all annotations that you have created in red, so with the open questions that have to be clarified, are displayed in the column. So you know which open questions are still need to be clarified and where you still have open questions. You can also display all important annotations which you have created in yellow, and there is also an export function. So you can also send the annotations by email. By clicking on a node in this overview page, the detail view opens. You have here the possibility to show this node directly in the content or also to edit the node. And you have also some details regarding the last update and when you have created the node. If you have some personal files like a PDF, for example, and also some more information, you can also create a personal page. To do this, you can click here on this symbol and you can add a personal page this way. You can give it titles, you can confirm this, and then you have the possibility to enter a text and format it with the text editor, and you can insert a PDF or a Word file, and then the PDF is there. It is the same if you would like to insert some images. You can also integrate the image directly in the content, and so you can enrich the content with your personal pages and some more information that you have regarding a specific topic, for example. Notes and personal pages can also be shared, by the way. You can find out exactly how to do this in the video tutorial regarding cloud and sharing. So I hope this gives you an overview of all the possibilities that beook offers regarding the annotations, and just feel free to try it out and to check our documentation on our website.